Okay, ready? Push it.
I am.
Oh. Shoot. Not working.
You take the oil?
Yeah.
There's got something. There we go.
Oh, it has to be in neutral. Okay, let go, let go, let go. She purrs like a kitten. Oh, ran out. I just picked up a $200 race bike. It's been sitting in the farmer's field for the past couple years. And it just happens to be the right make and model that we can race on our local track. So all we did, quick oil change, and obviously the battery is pooched. I tried everything on the battery. I tried to trickle charge it, didn't work. I tried a low voltage slow charge, didn't work. And then I tried a high amperage quick charge to try and boost the battery past its low voltage condition. Didn't work, so we just hooked her into my Gixxer and gave her a start. And she's, what's he doing, buddy? She's just chugging away. Honda, you may start winning me over. Judah, try the throttle.
What?
Try the throttle.
Judah, try the front.
Give her some throttle.
This one?
Yeah. Woo. 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 The tack works? Yeah, the tack works. Woo.
They almost started up.
It'll have a little bit of a lurch because of the engine centrifugal force. So now all that's left is cleaning it.